It is 6:43 and it is home buying season, so we are talking about steps for Sacramento area residents who are maybe looking to buy a home this summer. Joining me today, I've got Brandon Haefele, CEO and president of Catalyst Mortgage. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, home buying season, it's hot right now. Sacramento truly has a lot of good things going, and people want to live in and around the area. And so what are some quick tips just right out the gate that you would give people?
Well, you know, really the Sacramento market is heating up, just like the temperatures, and we're in the transition period that interest rates are finally coming back down. We're almost at a 2-year low. So now people and first-time home buyers can get into the market and take advantage of not just lower interest rates, but also homes that are available and new homes that are being built.
There's a lot of opportunity. And I wanted to talk about determining your down payment.
Yeah.
Where do we begin with that?
You know, really, it's individual case by case because there's a lot of grant programs that are available. You know, consumers think that you have to put 20% down when in fact you really don't.
Okay.
You can go as little as 3% down, maybe even 3.5% on FHA. But then there's also grant programs that are available. So it's really important when you're looking to get pre-approved and you're looking to purchase that home, shop around, see what programs you might qualify for. And most people are more surprised than they even thought that they could get a grant program where their down payment is completely covered, or one of the programs that it's forgiven. Your down payment would be forgiven as a grant, and you might qualify for that.
And you know, what's interesting too is, there's a lot of millennials maybe looking to buy in this area, but they're saying, hey, I'm not sure what's available for me. And they could, like you said, maybe qualify for a grant that would cover that down payment.
Absolutely.
Right,
and especially with the first-time home buyers, and especially a millennial, for instance, it sometimes is cheaper to own than rent. In a lot of cases, it really is. And so it's one of those things to do the research, look what's available, and see how you can fit into the market.
Okay, I like this bullet point. Choose a neighborhood and then find a realtor. But I mean, we have so many great neighborhoods to pick from. That's the blessing of living here, right?
It really is. You want to choose the neighborhood that you're thinking of living in, but then find a real estate agent for that area. So many agents will say, I'll go from Tahoe to the Bay Area. But really, do they know the market in that specific area? So find the area, but also be reasonable at what you're looking in, and be reasonable to the area that can I really qualify, and will I be able to afford that neighborhood?
Certainly. Here's a quick rundown of the steps for potential home buyers if you're following along with us. The last one I wanted to touch on, love a home but don't fall in love with the house. I thought this was a great piece of advice. Can you elaborate?
Yeah, it's really important that somebody, when you're going to go and look at a house, you want to make sure it's a business decision and you're looking at it that way. You can love the home, but don't fall in love with it, and you're going to make decisions that might not be in the best interest for your family. We might offer way too much than we should, or overextending yourself. Trust your real estate agent, work with your lender, make sure you're pre-approved, but then also look at everything that you do when purchasing as a business decision for your family.
Okay, lots of factors to consider, but completely doable. How can people get in touch with you?
You can give us a call at our office at 916-287-7777.
All right, Brandon Haefele with Catalyst Mortgage. Thanks
so
for
much.
being here. All right, Martina, we'll send it over to you.